And I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, back with the last giveaway of the month, and it is a really lovely one. We have quite a few bits and pieces to give away. So we have some handmade Project Life cards. They haven't been decorated, but they're there for you to decorate. So we have some Project Life cards. I have a pack of gorgeous ribbons. We have some washi tapes. So there are 5 washi tapes there. Look at them little fairy castles on. There is a bookmark, a decoupage, sort of daffodil thing that you can use for scrapbooking. We have some little people, and we have some gorgeous fabric flowers for your projects. Gorgeous flowers there. There's quite a few actually hiding amongst there. There's also some of these little, I don't know what you would call them, but they're great for scrapbooking. We have some little wooden, these are cute. Look at this one, a little buzzcut. Hello. And there are 2 little pug dogs as well. They're great for scrapbooking. We have some safety pins, and some little bows that I have sat painstakingly making for you. Only kidding, I brought them like that. So this is the last giveaway. I hope you've all enjoyed this March Madness giveaway. I have a great big huge bag of parcels to post out on Tuesday, so the postman is going to love me. So let's see who the lucky winner is. So good luck everyone. Let's have a good old dig around in here. And let's have a look. Oh, got one here. And the lucky winner is number 18. So if you have that ticket, please email me your name and address, and these goodies will be on their way to you. Thank you all for playing. I've had so much fun this month. Hope you've all enjoyed it, and I hope you all enjoy your giveaways. So take care for now. See you all very soon. Bye bye.